Hey y'all, it has been a good but long day and it is finally time for me to take my makeup off. So I thought I'd use this opportunity to show you guys how to use the Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm to take off all your makeup. So anyways, if you want to know how to use this, then just stay tuned and we'll just jump right into it. Okay, so first off, it does not take much with this recipe, so generally less is more. You also want to start off with dry skin and go from there. So yeah, I'll show you how this guy works. So you want about, I would say about a quarter size amount, not too much, but nice little bit right there. And then you are going to want to warm this up in your hands, kind of get it nice and liquidy, warm it up there. And then start on dry skin and just start massaging it into the skin. And especially since the coconut oil that is in here will help break up and break apart any makeup that you have on, and the shea butter will help moisturize the skin and help heal. So yeah, just massage this into your skin, maybe 30 seconds for a minute. I usually do my face first, and then lastly go through and scrub my eyes. There you go. Once you do all that, you can see it pretty much remove makeup. And you can either rinse from here, you could use a warm washcloth, or you could use a makeup wipe. Most of the time, I just rinse. Since I have a little bit more makeup on today, I am going to use a makeup wipe and then just wipe off all the extra. So yeah. And then once you're done wiping off all the extra, just go in with your favorite cleanser and wash from there.